Right, now we can start looking at putting pivots in the bushes. Get the gathering pallet aligned. It tends to have a longer pivot on it and needs to go in first so you don't break it off. Now we can start looking from the back and see what we've got here. One's in. That one's in. First wheel. Not quite. First wheel almost in anyway. Very close. Is that? That's in. I think that down there's right. That's okay. That's done. Now, I think we've got to get that guy down there. All those. 1, 2, 3. They look one. Second wheel. And I think there's one. The first wheel in here is being hard to get on with on the going side. It's not quite in its pivot yet. In its bush, I mean. Has that got a... Yeah, that's better. First wheel, that, yeah, just. Now we want that one, that one. Star wheel, come up a little bit. It's not. And that, right, now. We'll put a nut on that pillar there to hold that very loosely, but hold that for a moment while I go and investigate over the other side and see what's not in its correct bush. Right, the other one will go over here. Right, we'll check and see that everything's alright so far. Then we'll put some more wheels in. Chime side spinning nicely. The going side train. And the stroke side train. Right. Now start putting some more wheels in. Like that. Aligned. Okay, that's right there. Now, we'll get the fly aligned. Or we'd like to think we will. It is a bit tight. loosen that side a little bit. That should be about loose enough. Lift the plate up a little bit to get just drop out. Well, start him off with the big pivot this time. That into there, and then a bit more. So that now goes down there. Still not quite loose enough. Back it off a little bit more. We don't want to lose all the wheels that we've aligned. Got over to there, and then that guy goes into that pivot there if we can get it to hold. It's a bit hard to get in. Not a lot of light in there at the moment either, so that doesn't make it easy. And get that down. Fly into there. Wind up a tiny bit. Careful of the gathering pallet. They're all in, right? No. These couple here that are being a bit hard to get on with. That doesn't want to go into there at all. That's there, and that the fly goes there. Oh. All right, that's right. Just the chime side that's giving us some anguish at the moment. All right, I'll get that fixed off camera, then we'll come back and continue. It's going to take too long playing around trying to get that right. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.